Hi folks, welcome to Dutchy Cooking. Today I'm just going to do some simple jerk chicken for a lunchtime snack. Here I've got a spatchcock chicken. I'll put a link up, show you how to do this. I'm just going to put some deep scores into the flesh, down the breasts. On the thighs, on the legs. Just going to cover it with some oil, massage the oil in. This will give the rub something to stick to. This is my blend of jerk seasoning. I'll include the ingredients below. So I'm just going to rub it in and make sure everywhere's covered, and flip the chicken over and do the same to the inside. Apply some oil, that massage in, now the rub. You can buy jerk seasoning if you don't want to make it yourself. Just rub this all in on the board, include that. Bring it back over. I'm just going to put some in here, scrape off the board. While I've been doing this, the Argentinian grill has been getting up to temperature, producing coals. So, chicken goes straight on. I'm going to cook this on the bone side for approximately 15 to 20 minutes. I'm going to flip this chicken now and have a look. On nicely. I'm going to let this roll now. This has now reached an internal temperature of 74, so it's ready to get to our board or get carved up. Take a knife and joint this. And the breastbone. There we have it, jerk chicken. So there is just simple spatchcock jerk chicken. Not bad for a lunchtime snack. If you like what we're doing here at Dutchy Cooking, please subscribe and don't forget to hit that bell.